Sometimes we must look to the past to influence the future. To the techniques of the Japanese traditional master craftsmen. I am Shin, and these are my Damashiro knives. I am inspired by the history of the Damascus blade, first produced over 2,000 years ago. It speaks of the strength and longevity of my culture. Seamless construction, quality Japanese tempered steel, crafted by a master knife smith. With Damashiro, every movement is measured, balanced, and executed with absolute precision. Damashiro stainless steel is from the province of Chuoku, Chiba, Japan, and has been mined here since the beginning of the last century. Handmade, hand-forged, with traditional fire and ice. Guaranteed for a lifetime. Damashiro.
Introducing the first smokeless contact griddler from Cuisinart. This multifunctional grill maximizes flavor while minimizing smoke, so you can get all the great taste without the lingering odors. With 6 cooking functions, this smokeless grill takes you from breakfast to lunch and even dinner by making delicious meals in no time with less smoke. Clean up in minutes with the removable, reversible dishwasher-safe plates. And the specially designed plates reduce grease, while precision temperature controls maintains the exact amount of heat for grilling beef, poultry, fish, and pork to perfection, all while maintaining maximum flavor with minimal smoke. Use the fold-out front foot extension and additional top plate position for grease drainage. Adjustable temperatures range from 175 to 425, plus a sear blast function dials up the temperature to 450 degrees, ensuring precision cooking with great grilled flavor while minimizing smoke. The dual control heating advantage provides independent temperature control for the upper and lower plate, so you can cook different foods simultaneously. The 6 cooking functions allow you to use the smokeless contact griddler as a smokeless grill, contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle. Get grilling indoors year-round with the Cuisinart Griddler with smokeless mode.